show the pens. These are the pens from the Dollar Tree. Papermate journaling ink. This is a micro tip brush pen. Yeah, I can't wait to see if this is like the more professional ones you can find at like Michael's, your craft stores, Hobby Lobby, the ones that cost like $13, $15 for a pack. Another journaling ink, MAGNA tank, and this is a BiC gel pen. And I'm going to show how they come across on these two sketchbooks. And I took this off in the last video. It's one from the Dollar Tree. The paper is a little bit thicker than this one. So let's get right to it. The sketchbook here, it's a really small 9x6. So how about we start with the BiC. Good old BiC. I don't think I was even planning to really show this one, but I'm just gonna show it anyway. I put it in the video. But it's your regular BiC pen from the Dollar Tree. And there's the tip. And let's see. Oh, it actually comes on pretty good. It's not super, I guess you would say, like, it doesn't bleed that much or at all. Let's see how it goes through. And this is a thin, wow, this is good, you guys. This is a very thin piece of paper in this sketchbook. The papers are very thin and it doesn't bleed that much. Now that's this pen. So this would make a good journaling or even a good sketch pen. And it is, again, the Papermate. It's the felt tip pen. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. That's really good. Let's stay within the BiC family and go on to the BiC Gelocity. This again found at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay, and this looks like it's gonna be just like your regular writing pens. Yeah, that just has like a really good. Let's try it this way. Ooh, I like. It's more than just an ink pen. It is a gel pen. It bleeds. It does bleed when it comes out, so it comes out smooth. It catches a little bit when you're writing, so like when I'm pulling, it does catch a little bit on the paper. So it's not totally smooth. I actually would say this one's this BiC is smoother than this one, even though this Gelocity pen, it comes out more, right? So when you start and you pull, it comes out more, and each time you stop, it'll come out a little bit more. And as you pull along, it's not as much as it when you start, if that makes sense. So, but that also depends on how much pressure you're putting on it, right? Because like, look at that. Did you see that? Okay. Let's see how this one blends, or if it bleeds through. Oh, about the same, or maybe it's the paper. I mean, it is more. It does come through more than the first pen. But it also, this is some good paper though. As thin as it seems, this is good paper. I'll get on to journaling ink. Oh, you know what? I should write. This is a BiC. The journaling ink MAGNA tank. Let's see what this does. But yeah, and I love a nice pen. Look at that, looks good. You know, has the is that a chrome or rose gold tip, and the little decor, the ring. So let's see how this does. And I think I mentioned in the last video, I believe that journaling ink is a Dollar Tree brand. If you look at all the others, Papermate and BiC, they don't have the same like distributed, imported info. All of Dollar Tree's items that they sell, they have this, it all looks like this block here. So I do believe that journaling ink is a Dollar Tree brand. I'm not sure how new it is. It's my first time noticing the pen, so. Okay, so we'll go down here. So this is journaling ink. And again, this is the MAGNA tank. Sounds smooth, it's supposed to be smooth gel, comfort grip, and clean bold lines. Let's see. Y'all, that was a clean line. And that was a clean line. Okay, Dollar Tree, that was a clean line. I can say, compared to how I did these, and just look at them, the lines are cleaner. Lines are way cleaner. Even if I got a little, like, even if I went like that, like how I did with the, it's still cleaner. And you can see where it does come out if you sit a little bit too long, or if you sit a little bit, it does come out more in those spots. This is a good pen. Now I can say I still feel it catch a little bit, not catch like it's gonna tear your paper, but I feel like Papermate, as far as like smoothness, is smoother than these other two so far. This pen does seem to have the cleaner lines though. So that's my thought. It is smooth, but I still feel it catching towards, and it could be because of the direction I'm going. If I go this way, go up, yeah, it still feels a little rough. So I would say, so far as smoothness, Papermate is winning. And then as far as clean lines, it's this journaling ink. And it is a really nice pen though. We're gonna try it. Here's the micro tip brush pen. It looks like the ones you find at Michael's in like the $12 plus sets, $15 plus sets. But now Dollar Tree has theirs, so let's test it out. And I'm going to make sure I compare this one to my other art pens. I found some packs, but for whatever reason, I'm missing the micro pen. So here we go. All right. And I think I'm just gonna do it on the side here. So maybe I'll go, maybe that's better. All right, and see, so it is gonna be a difference. This is a brush pen. That looks pretty good, Dollar Tree. But this tip looks really good. Okay. Oh, okay, Dollar Tree. That's nice. Okay. Artist, my fellow artist, this is a good micro tip brush pen. $1.25. If you are an artist, you should go to Dollar Tree and get as many as you can. This is a good pen. This is good, y'all. And then you can control. So even if you lighten up, now if I'm lightening up my grip, even then it doesn't bleed as much, right? On that side, that's really good. Okay, Dollar Tree. Let's see on the back. I forgot to look at the MAGNA tank, how it bleeds through. And it didn't. Ooh, and okay. Now again, this is a different paper. This paper is very thin. This is one of the sketchbooks at the Dollar Tree. So it is a brush pen. So it is gonna come, the ink will definitely come out heavier than the others. So, and I did press more on those, but in these lines here, they didn't bleed that much. That's pretty good. Okay. That is pretty good. So this is the other, it's a sketch pad, even though it's called a sketchbook when you find it in the Dollar Tree. But I just want to show the difference in this paper versus the first sketchbook. Both of these sketchbooks are at the Dollar Tree. So this is the Papermate. Smooth. It doesn't, when I say smooth, it's not catching on the paper. So that's the Papermate. Now let's look how it bleeds, if it bled through. Whoa, this paper is good, y'all. This paper is good. I can't even see where, okay. This is the, if you're gonna be using any ink, this is definitely the one to get. I don't see where it was, and it was right here. Look at that. This is some good paper for $1.25. Yeah, love this pen with this paper. I love this pen and the Papermate with this paper. And let's double check the back. Even with the heavier micro brush pen, you can't see. It doesn't bleed through. This is some good paper. Good job, Dollar Tree. That's a good sketchbook, sketch pad paper. Let me go heavier. Let's see. Or do us. Ooh, just want to see. Look at that. You can barely see it. It does, you know, you can start to see it, but it's definitely not like this paper. Oops. You know, and maybe it could be the color of the paper. This color is more of a, well, I think they recycle. It's recycled paper. Yeah, it's more of like a tree recycled paper. This is like a white bleached paper. I just had to share because I was like, what? When I walked in the Dollar Tree, obviously it does depend on what Dollar Tree that you have in your area, what Dollar Tree, you know, what they might have and what other Dollar Tree options you have in your area. If you have another Dollar Tree, they one of them may or may not have these, and you may have to check out the other one. Or if you only have one Dollar Tree, I know some towns only do have one Dollar Tree, and that, you know, you only get what you can get. But maybe they might be able to order it for you. But yeah, this is a huge find. And now, I don't know if a lot of people are aware you can order online from a Dollar Tree. I think some things you do have to order in bulk, or most of them. So, but pens could be worth it, something that you order in bulk if you're going to journal a lot and draw a lot. And if you're an artist, it's definitely worth it, especially these pens, these micro tip brush pens. Okay, this was helpful for you, or if you don't want to leave a comment, if it was helpful for you in any way, please give me a thumbs up so I can know I helped you out, that this was informative. And I would love a subscribe, you know, for you to subscribe and share with anyone that this may be helpful for. And I think I'm gonna create a little short off of these two if I can. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thanks, Dollar Tree. I mean, they didn't send it to me. I don't even know why I'm saying thanks. But yeah, you can find these at your local Dollar Tree.